What's up, guys? Boy Hand here. Today I'm playing Animal Jam. This is my den. I'm a Jacob Taco. I have a wolf statue. I have a bunch of stuffed animals back here, and then welcome mat, candy, a little weird couch, table, groceries, a stool, I think is what it's called, a rug, and then 2 pillows, a gaming machine, which is sky high, then painting, then this is my back porch. And then also, I don't have to show you it, because I have nothing in it, but, I also have this, but I have nothing in it, so there's nothing to show. But, what I'm going to be doing in this episode, is I'm going to play, I'm going to see if any of my friends are playing. I don't think so. Hold on. Oh, this is lagging. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so, what I'm going to do is go to the little lobby. What is it? I forgot how you get there. Forgot how you get there. Is this how? Oh yeah, I forgot you can do this. Okay. I'll go ahead and go to the, I'll just go to the Coral Canyons lobby. And then, I'm going to buy me a pet. So, okay, I don't have my rooster anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy me a rooster. Okay. Forgot how you buy your rooster. I think you can go to a pet store. Is this it? What is that? Okay, I guess you don't do anything. Oh wait. Oh, okay, that's just printing. Okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to buy that thing. Let's go in here. Okay, this just sounds like, sales banners. Okay. What is this? Hedgehog. Let's try to find how you can do it. Crystal Sands. Maybe that'll have a pet shop. Even if there is one. I don't know. Ooh. I've never been this way before. Oh wait, are these pets? Wait, is this where you can buy pets? Wait, I'm gonna go ahead and go in here. Okay, that's the claw. Ah, there we go. Pet kitty. Can I actually buy that? I'm not a member. But I don't even like that. So I'm gonna go up. Where's the Woosters? Ooh. Oh, that's cute. I can buy that, but first I'm gonna buy the rooster. I'll make it this and then that. yo. I wanna change the eyes. Yo, he's cool now. Okay. Orange hippo, that's no. Oh, no, pirate hippo. Yes, that's right. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Wait, I thought that was 2 diamonds. Well, fail. I guess I'll get a froggy. It actually looks fine already. Silver cheetah. It's fine. Yes, of course. I have to be a member for it. Okay. At least I got my rooster, so I'm gonna go back to my den. Let's see. I'm going to play a game called Doinng. Oh crap. I mean solo. No, I mean solo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, here. No. Okay. Now can I do it? I'm solo. Doesn't even ask. Oh my gosh. How do you choose solo? I guess that's not. Oh yeah, that's not a solo game. I forgot. I can do spoilers. Yep. I'll do that. Single player. Yeah. See, that wasn't a option for it. For the bowling, I forgot that was a multiplayer game. Okay, so what you do, in this little game, you kill the spiders and you get like a whole lot of gems, like a lot. So boom and wah, wah. Oh no, you're not getting away. No. Oh, they're all getting away. I said you was. Die. Okay. 19 spiders. Oh wait. 19 spiders killed. 19 gems earned. Okay, this is the last round. I'm going to play this. Then I'll just explore a little bit. Then it'll be the end of the episode. Oh! So many. Boom. Ha! Hoo! Oh, I thought I was going to miss it. Okay. Here. 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, 21. Ha! 23, LeBron James. 47. Okay, I'm done. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go to the fair. I'm going to go to the, place. Yeah, the place. This place. Okay. Okay. Bye, Felicia. What is this? Looks like this trend music. Oh, so I gotta find the key. Okay. This is weird. Is this like a video game? Yeah, so there's like 3 hearts. That's weird. Oh, wait, how do you get that away? Can I just... Oh, wait, you probably did that. Okay. I'm going to shop. However you do that. How do you shop? I mean, some places you do. I don't know if you can do it this specific place, but you might. I'm just gonna go back to the little lobby area. I'm lost, I think. I'm lost now. Okay, let's go to a different place. Wait, how do I go to a different place? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, okay, here. Yes, I want to leave. Okay, what's up, bro? I guess I'll play the claw. Okay, wait. Journey book. I've never seen that before. Oh, present. I got a present. I guess. Present. I guess I can't open it. Crystal Sands. Yeah, that's what. Okay, I'm gonna go play the claw. I think you can do it. Get it on here, but I don't know where to go to get it. I'm just gonna check. Okay. World. Okay. Wait. If this isn't it, wait. I remember what it's called. Isn't there a shop over here? Yes, it's right here. Yeah, here's the claw. Okay. Yes, spend 5 gems. Try to get me a stuffed animal. Oh, nothing. Okay. Boom. Please. Okay, but what is it? Well, we've already gotten like 12 minutes in, so, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, Felicia.